Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna give this sucker a rip and kind of review it and see what goes from there. So let's get to it. Smash that thumbs up button, hit that share button, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out our merch at www.rngperformance.net. And well, here we go. Let's see. For those of you who are going to ask, we are running our SRM3 Helix clocked at B2 with the stock secondary spring, and we're running our primary clutch kit. You can get that on our website, www.R.N.G.performance.net. Yeah, do you want to get on it and
it won't start. It's I think the engine's full of water now.
Okay. You might want to hook it down lower.
Hook it down lower now. Yeah.
Hold on. Will he be able to pull you back, or do you want to?
So.
Okay, I'll stay with you guys.
Very good.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around right here. It fired up. It's got water in the exhaust. That's probably why it wouldn't start. I'll follow you guys that way.
I appreciate it.
Yep, no problem. Whoa,
Sorry.
that's all right. broken. Already, brand new, just a few miles on the clock. 30.9 miles. So I brought it out here after we did the real true dual exhaust. It's the first one on the earth with a real true dual exhaust setup. And it's raining on me. Yeehaw! So I wanted to bring it out and see if it actually cooled it down. And holy moly, it runs super cool. No heat whatsoever coming off of this thing. Super awesome, guys. And it sounds mean. Super mean. So I wanted to tell you what we broke. The power steering quit working on me. I don't know why. Still got stock tires and no wheel spacers on it as of yet. And it's a good thing because now I can get it fixed under warranty. But it doesn't work at all, and it makes this weird noise. If I can get it to do it on camera, I'll let you hear it. It's like a grinding sound. So there's that. Okay. Anyway, guys, you can pick up your merch on the website. If you're looking for one of these machines, so far it seems to be pretty solid aside from whatever's going on with the power steering. But I will say this, if you're looking for ride quality, go with the Cfmoto 600 touring because it is a much smoother of a ride. Hope you guys can hear me. Good thing I didn't, Anyway, the 600 touring is a much better ride. This thing does not ride all that good. Now I am going to play with the suspension and see what we can do with it because it bucks you all over the place. It's not a smooth ride at all, but it has all the power you could ever ask for. Oh, guys, I think I'm going to end it here. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Please leave me a comment down below. Fight it.